Hello and welcome to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare dali saag. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of tur dal, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, about 6 to 7 crushed garlic pod, 3 to 4 green chili split, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and a pinch of asafoetida powder. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the tur dal for minimum 15 to 20 minutes before further use. Once the tur dal is soaked well, drain the excess water out of it and later transfer that into a pressure cooker. Next into this, add the ginger, tomato and green chili. Now add 2 cups of water, turmeric powder, salt and give this a good mix. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 2 to 3 whistles in low to medium flame. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, transfer the garlic pods into it. Now saute this for about a minute. Next into this, add the finely chopped onion and few curry leaf and saute this and cook until the onions turn soft and translucent and the garlic pod turns golden brown. Now into this, add the dal which we had previously pressure cooked and give this a good mix. Add 2 more cups of water and adjust the consistency of your saag. Usually the Konkani dal or saag is little watery when compared to the North Indian dal like dal tadka or dal palak. Now give this a good mix and allow this to cook in high flame until the dal starts boiling. Once the dal starts boiling, add a pinch of asafoetida powder and give this a good mix. At this stage, you can add little extra salt if required. Allow the dali saag to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Now our delicious dali saag is ready. You can garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve this along with rice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.